At iSteer, manufacturing excellence starts with connecting decisions across the value chain, not optimizing silos. Across discrete, hybrid, and process manufacturing environments, we help organizations stabilize the foundations that drive daily execution: planning, materials, operations, quality, and risk. We enable reliable production planning by aligning demand, material availability, and execution signals. We provide visibility into core operations without disrupting plant systems. And we establish end-to-end traceability, from product and order, all the way through lot, quality, and compliance. Quality and compliance are not treated as after-the-fact reporting. They are integrated into operations, allowing manufacturers to identify issues early, assess impact quickly, and reduce recall and business risk. Underpinning all of this is iSteer's strength in data, integration, and cloud-native platforms. Whether it's manufacturing analytics, production management systems, or operational automation, the result is not just better insight, but manufacturing systems that are more resilient, auditable, and execution-ready at scale.